My name's Lee, welcome to the Lyceum Theatre where our TRIGON XL boilers are being installed. How you doing, pal? Good to see you again.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, really good.
So I'm Lee Mason, I work for DHP, so we're the technical consultants for ATG, the Ambassador Theatre Group. So with this project, we're looking to overcome the issues with the heating system and the cooling system at the theatre. So I've got a long working relationship with ELCO. Obviously I've got the confidence that they're part of the Ariston brand. I've worked with Lee Atkinson for a number of years, and I like to get him involved early on at design stage so we can select the best product, and then he stays with me as my main contact through to completion.
We're fortunate to have many different solutions available to us, and this helps us tailor our proposal to the client's requirements. These boilers were chosen as a direct modernisation of the previous plant. The TRIGON XL packs a lot of kilowatt into a very small footprint. It comes with all of your controls as standard. It's sat on wheels, meaning it's easy to move around on site, and it's very easy and quick to install. Engineers love these boilers because all the components that they need to get access to are readily available. Your ignition and ionisation probes, your transformer, your fan and your gas valve are all within easy reach of just removing one side panel. The TRIGON XL boiler is available from stock in our UK warehouse, and the client can also benefit from a full manufacturer's 10-year warranty. We offer a manufacturer's strip and rebuild service, which means the boiler can be stripped down on or off-site, then lifted into location, and the manufacturer can rebuild it with their seal of approval.
So with projects like this that are a little bit bespoke and not the normal straight like-for-like replacement, I like to work with ELCO to get them in at an early stage and make sure that the design's correct and the product's suitable before we even go to tender.